Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3 English subject. In the previous class, I had completed the 5th lesson celebrating Earth Day. In this class, I am going to discuss the exercise part. Page number 51. Read and understand. A. Tick write the words that will complete the sentences. First one. Miss Cornick told the class about dash. A. Earth Day. B. Environment Day. C. Mother's Day. Miss Cornick told the class about Earth Day. First one is the answer. Second, fill in the blanks. The children would have a dash. A. Poetry recitation competition. B. Picnic. C. Fancy dress competition. The children would have a fancy dress competition. C. Third one. Shabnam Khan talked about dash. A. Recycling. B. Saving electricity. And C. Saving tigers. Shabnam Khan talked about saving electricity. B option is correct. Fourth one. If we recycle newspapers, each family can save dash. A. 2 trees every year. B. 10 trees every day. C. 1 apple every day. And the answer is A. 2 trees every year. Fifth one. We must not dash water. A. Pollute or waste. B. Eat or fry. C. Drink. We must not pollute or waste water. Fifth one is A option. B main question. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. First one. How did the children celebrate Earth Day? The children celebrated Earth Day by taking part in a fancy dress competition in school. Second question. What did each child dress up as? Make a list. Answer. Arvind Gopalan dressed up as a bus. Shabnam Khan dressed up as an electric bulb. And Gopal Sinha dressed up as a garbage bin. Teresa Lewis, Binita Tuki, and Jamshed Nariman dressed up as a tiger, a tree, and water, respectively. Third question. Where was the program held? Who watched the program? The program was held in the hall and was watched by both parents and teachers. Fourth question. Whose message did you like the best? Why? Answer. I liked Gopal Sinha's message the best because he tells us how waste can be recycled. These are the question and answers. Under D main question, find 7 words related to the environment in this word search. See, first one is earth, EARTH, earth. Second one is, let us go one by one, forest, waste. Third one, recycle, and then vertical option, energy, traffic, tree. These are the 7 words. D fill in the blanks. And E main question I will take in the next class. Take the correct answers in your textbook and write question and answers in your CW. Find 7 words, circle the 7 words in your textbook and send me the photo of your answers and textbook. Dear children, be safe, be happy in your home, read this lesson and write question answers. धन्यवाद.